guys, and welcome back. Today's video I'll show you how to do classic lashes. You can pause the video, gather all the stuff that you need, and let's practice together. Please like, comment and subscribe and keep watching. So we are going to start by cleansing the lashes, removing all the oils and dirt, and then drying them fully. Make sure they're fully dry before you get started. I've applied primer. Of course, you don't always have to on a lash doll, but it's good practice. Make sure you let it dry again, and then we move on to mapping the lash. So this will just be a good guide. Make sure you're staying on track with the lengths. So I'm doing 14 on the far edge, outer edge, and then 15, and then 14 and 13. And we're moving in to 12 and then 10 in the inner corners of the eyes. So I'm starting on the outer corner with 14, and then you will see me jump to a different section, not the lash right next to it. This is just because I'm letting the lash that I've put down dry properly before I start nudging it to the side. So I've now gone to 15. I will be doing this just so I can avoid any mishaps where I'm making sure the glue is dry before I lash anything next to what I've placed down. As you know, guys, I'm also a beginner lash tech, so I'm not quite a pro at this. I'm also learning the same way you are, watching this, and I'm just sharing my knowledge, really. If you're a pro lash tech and you have some tips for us, please leave them in the comments. That would be so greatly appreciated. Remember that this is your lash journey. Whether you master it in a week, whether you master it in a year, it doesn't matter. As long as you're learning something new every single time that you are practicing, you are doing someone's lashes, that's what matters. This is your journey. Don't get frustrated with yourself. Don't feel like you have to rush yourself either. Like, just do you. Honestly, just do you. Like, everyone's method's different, I can guarantee you that. But as long as you've learnt the basics, you know what you're doing, you can obviously add a little bit of twist to it and make it your own, and that is okay. So yeah, just a little bit of tip for you guys. Another thing is, don't obviously use the most expensive stuff when you're practicing on like a lash doll, because that's a rookie mistake. You are wasting money and not making it. You're wasting it on a doll and you're not making it. So don't do that. Just go on Amazon, find something, but I would advise using like similar lash glue that you'd use on a client, just because you can actually know when it dries out quickly, or like how long it takes to dry out and stuff like that, retention, etc, etc. But in terms of like the actual types of lashes, just use something on like from Amazon or something. It's very cheap, very affordable, and replaceable. I'm just going to keep quiet and let you guys keep watching. If you want to show me how you did your classic lashes, you can always DM me on Instagram at SZN.Beauty or on Facebook at SZN.Beauty with 2 eyes. stretch your fingers, stretch your hands, stretch your back, midway especially, just so you can avoid any cramping. As you start to finish your set, make sure you look through every angle to make sure you've added extension to healthy lashes. If not, just add it and look through. And I'd also avoid using a tweezer on top of a real client's lash. Don't be like me. Probably use tape. That would be the best option, just to make sure the bottom layer lashes are done as well. Once you've finished lashing, make sure you dry the lashes, comb through it just to make sure there's no flyaways or anything hanging on to their dear life. I apply instant cure on the lashes to improve on the retention and to allow clients to put water on their eyes within 24 hours. This is a finished look, classic lashes, very simple yet so elegant. I'd say this is the best way to start practicing doing lashes. I loved making this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.